Can you smell a CBASS cooking? Right?
Hey, what's going on? Hey, I just want to do a quick little review on the Traxxas Aton since I'm about done using this cool, fun toy in my videos. I did the unboxing, but I never really gave my opinion or a review of it after flying it a couple times. So this is it. This is probably the last time you'll see Traxxas Aton in my videos. This thing's fun. This is a great toy. This is what you see is what it comes with. It comes with a controller, of course, Traxxas with removable legs and replaceable props. That's where the battery goes. It comes with one LiPo 3-cell 5000 battery, but I got two. They last maybe 15 minutes per flight. Pretty good, pretty solid. Comes with a charger. Comes with a little Allen wrench to take off the propellers and the legs of it. And it comes with another set of propellers. And it also comes with this mount. Now, as you can tell, the Traxxas does not come with a camera, so they gave you this mount which hooks right up to a GoPro. I'm sure you could probably jerry rig any camera you want, any action camera, but it's no doubt made for the GoPro. So let's do some pros and cons. I feel like there's more cons than pros, so I'll knock out the cons in my opinion. Cons. It's kind of unstable. So what I got this for was I want a cheap alternative to those $1,000 plus drones for videography. So I was looking for the cheapest route, and boom, Traxxas came out with the Aton, and its price point is pretty amazing. So it's under 500. I think it's probably around 450, even though I'm giving you pros. But I thought it was the answer to what I could get away with making some drone flights, some video footage of, it just wasn't stable. So let's go over some cons. It doesn't have a onboard camera. That's a con to me. So what they did was they came up with this mount so I could put my GoPro on it and record, which is awesome, but it's not stable. Not stable at all. Traxxas said they were going to come out with a 3-axis gimbal. They have a 2-axis, but they said they were going to come out with a 3, so I sat there and waited, and they never came out with the 3-axis gimbal. So I didn't want to waste money on a 2-axis when I eventually was going to get the 3-axis. See what I'm saying? So without having the other another con is they don't make a mount to set up at least your phone so you can see where you're going. So I spent a lot of time looking in the air trying to figure out what direction I was actually flying. Maybe I have more pros than cons, I don't know. But anywho, and that was probably the biggest downfall for me was it doesn't have steady camera feed, and I couldn't tell half the time where I was actually flying. But there is a bunch of pros as well. The biggest pro for me is probably this remote control. because I have a PS4 gaming system, and that is almost just like a PS4 joystick. Has toggle buttons up here. It's really easy. Takes AAA batteries. It's very easy. The pros. Another pro is it has three stages of flight. So it had the like a beginner, a medium, and an expert. I never got comfortable with the expert mode. This thing flies. This thing does over 50 miles per hour in the air, and you can lose control of it in a heartbeat. Another pro, it was very durable. It went down a couple times. And, well, let's check out some of this footage. Check out the last footage I sent. I was trying to do expert mode, and check it out. Give it a look real quick. Second legit crash. So you can see there that I was in expert mode. I was trying to do a trick, and that thing come flying down. Luckily, I was in a battlefield that had thick grass and tall grass, uncut grass. But yeah, that thing could be quite difficult to figure out where you're going. For me, would I recommend this? I would recommend it, yes, for what it is. It's a high-speed toy, just like almost everything Traxxas made. Radio control, the fastest thing in radio control. It's fun. I like Traxxas. I like what they put out. Their toys are really fun. But is it for me? No, because I wanted to. I need something for videography. I want smooth action shots of, you know, flying in, of scenic views. I mean, you could do this with this, I guess, but for me, being a beginner drone flyer, I don't think I could do it with the Traxxas. So now I guess I'm gonna have to spend that extra money to get the more stable platform. But yeah, if you want something to take to like camping or just have whenever to play around with, go to the battlefield, go to open parks. This thing's fun. It's a blast. I mean, it scoots. The only thing I wish it had was a first-person view. So yeah, you could sit there, hook up your GoPro, but then you got jerry-rig a mount. I mean, it should already be something there for you. And I think Traxxas had a mount they said they were going to come out with, but they never did for your phone to get that first-person view. Anywho, guys, we'll keep it short and sweet. So hopefully the replacement will be coming in soon. I wonder what that will be. All right, party people, that was my thoughts on the Traxxas Aton, and I will see you later.
This is the end, beautiful friend.
Zoom. Sneak peek. Sneak peek. What? Alright, party people. We'll do the we'll just do that.